what's going on, guys? It's DTA with VaporTex here, and today I'm going to be doing a unboxing of the Vamo V5 Vapor Electronic Cigarette, and it's very, very, very cool. So what we're going to do here is we're going to unbox it here. Just take that little lid off there. Amazing, amazing wrap box, whatever you want to call it. Inside we get a little pamphlet for the Vamo with Chinese writing on it. I don't know why it's in Chinese. I must have got it from China. And yeah, there's the Vamo right there.